Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. That rises in Japan, snowstorm. Over the Christmas holidays, heavy snowfall throughout the Japan claimed the lives of at least 17 people and injured over 90 others, CNN reported on Tuesday, citing various authorities. Strong winter fronts have pounded parts of the Japan with heavy snow, especially around the west coast, according to the meteorological officials, stranding cars on the roads and delaying delivery services since mid-December. Citing an official associated with the Japan's Fire and Disaster Management Agency, CNN stated that a woman in her 70s died after she was buried underneath the snow that fell off a roof of Nagai, a city located in the Yamagata prefecture. The cause of her death was due to the excessive piling up of the snow, higher than 80 centimeters by Saturday. Last week, the Japan Meteorological Agency reported that the snow accumulations in some areas was far above the average. The weather has been becoming worse in Japan over the past few years. While areas of the south were hammered by the torrential rains from various violent typhoons in September, the northeastern regions of Hokkaido experienced severe snowstorms in December, officials reported. Parts of Japan, mainly along the west coast, have been hit hard by the heavy snow due to the powerful winter fronts, weather officials said, stranding vehicles on the highways and delaying delivery services since mid-December. The Japan Meteorological Agency said last week that the snowfall in some parts had accumulated at the levels far above the average. Japan has seen increasingly adverse weather conditions in the recent years. Its climate is predominantly temperate but varies greatly from north to south. December saw harsh snowstorms in the northeastern regions like Hokkaido, while parts of the south were battered by the heavy rains from the powerful typhoon in September. And in June, Tokyo experienced heat wave that saw temperatures soar past a record of 40 degrees Celsius. Heavy snow knocked down an electric power transmission tower in the Japan's northernmost main island, leaving about 20,000 homes without power on Christmas morning, though electricity was restored in most areas later that day, according to the Economy and Industry Ministry. Dozens of the trains and flights were also suspended in the northern Japan through Sunday, but services have since mostly resumed, according to the Transportation Ministry. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.